What's up, yo? It's me, Cole, again. So, today I'm gonna be showing you a new skateboard that we got here. Just today actually. So here's that skateboard. It's called the Green Tiger. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, there's a green tiger here. It's green. But yeah, Land Yachtz. It's a cruiser. So let's get riding. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, I actually like the skateboard. It has big wheels, so it goes over the bumps really good. It's like smooth, really smooth. Grip is good. I like the design. So it's fast, that's for sure. You gotta be careful on it. So all in all, I'd give it a 5-star out of 5. So yeah. So don't forget to subscribe now, turn on post notifications so you know when our next video comes out. Smash that like button, and that's it for today's video.